818 Tequila and trademark infringement. Take a look at the photo I am about to show you. It is going to be a side-by-side. Tell me in the comments the similarities that you see between these two bottles. Okay, now also tell me the differences. If you want to learn more about the likelihood of confusion test or what a likelihood of confusion even means as it relates to the United States Patent and Trademark Office, then make sure to watch this video right here where I go into more detail about the test itself. Do you think the fonts look the same? Does the label look the same? Do the colors look the same? What looks the same to you? 512 Tequila is a tequila-based brand out of Austin, Texas. 818 Tequila is a tequila-based company founded by Kendall Jenner. So what's so bad about these two brands looking like each other? Well, a trademark is meant to protect just that. It is a source identifier, so it is meant to protect your product or service and the source of those goods or services. In your opinion, is this a case of trademark infringement? Did the founder of 818 Tequila, in this case Kendall Jenner, and her team, were their branding choices too similar to that of 512 Tequila? Is there a case of trademark infringement to be made here? Now, as a small business owner watching this video, or even a medium-sized business owner, it can definitely feel like a slap in the face when somebody tries to copy, mimic, or imitate your brand in such a way that consumers are completely confused when they look at both products side by side. It could take away from brand recognition. If someone is confused by two brands that are looking the same, which one is actually unique? Well, in the case of trademark infringement, everything is going to fall back on who was the first user. And in this case, we know that 512 Tequila was established in 2015 and 818 Tequila did not come along until just recently, within the last year. We have yet to hear 818 Tequila's side of the story, so until then, we only have 512 Tequila's side of the story and, of course, our own personal conclusions. So let me know in the comments what you think and how this case may turn out. So if you're someone who's been slapped with a cease and desist, or you want to send a cease and desist to someone, or you've been hit with a trademark infringement lawsuit, then make sure to contact me by scrolling down into the description below. I'm here to help you with trademark infringement issues. Is somebody ripping off your brand, slogan, logo, tagline? I'm here to help you with trademark registrations, renewals, etc. Send me an email if you want to know if I can help you. Email is in the description below. If you're interested in listening to a real live consultation with someone who received a cease and desist letter and claimed they were infringing on their trademark, make sure to watch this video right here.
And there's a company about 20 minutes away under the name